You know, over the years I've seen many people go on the biggest journey one can go on, and that's building your own home. And that takes commitment and passion, and when you combine it with a vision for a particular type of lifestyle, you get 11 Seascape Close, Palm Cove. Right, let's get ready for dinner. Functionality and privacy are key to this design. Did you find it? Surrounded by quality homes, the owner's decision to incorporate open grassed areas into the property has paid off in spades. There's not many places where you have spaces for the kids to run around and views like that in the distance.